Most people think information systems means computers, software, or the IT department. That's too narrow. An information system is the complete setup that collects data, stores it, processes it, moves it, and helps people make decisions. In simple words, it is how a business turns raw information into useful action. Think about a restaurant. A customer orders through a QR code. The kitchen receives the order. The cashier sees the bill. Inventory updates. Later, the manager checks which item sold the most. This whole flow is an information system, not just the app, not just the computer. The full connection between people, process, data, and technology. That is the main idea. Information systems are not about having tools. They are about how those tools work together inside a business. For example, in a CRM system, the information system collects customer details, buying behavior, complaints, feedback, and sales history. So when a company sends a personalized offer, it is not random. The system is using past information to support a business decision. In a supply chain management system, information systems track suppliers, stock, warehouses, delivery, demand, and shortages. It tells the business what is available, what is delayed, what is running out, and what needs to be ordered next. A database management system acts like the backbone. Every customer record, product detail, payment, order, employee file, and report needs to be stored properly. But the real value is not just storage. The real value is making information organized, searchable, secure, and useful. Then comes business intelligence. This is where data becomes insight. A dashboard showing sales, profit, stock levels, or customer trends is not just a chart. It is the information system helping managers understand what is happening and what decision to take next. And with cloud computing, information systems are no longer locked inside one office or one server. Businesses can access systems from anywhere, connect multiple branches, scale faster, and work in real time. So when Netflix recommends a show, that is an information system. When Amazon updates stock, that is an information system. When a bank blocks a suspicious transaction, that is an information system. When a hospital stores patient records, that is an information system. But here's the catch. A business can buy expensive software and still have a bad information system. Why? Because the system only works when the right information reaches the right person at the right time. If the data is wrong, delayed, duplicated, hidden, or misunderstood, the system fails, even if the software looks modern. That is why information systems sit between business and technology. They are not just coding, and they are not just management. They are the bridge between both. In this playlist, we will not study information systems like a boring textbook. We will understand how businesses actually use systems to operate, compete, grow, and survive. We will explore CRM, supply chains, databases, business intelligence, cloud systems, cybersecurity, e-commerce, decision-making, and AI, but always from the angle of how they work inside an information system. Because modern businesses do not run only on money, products, or people. They run on information. And this field was not created by one single founder. It grew through the work of thinkers like Gordon B. Davis and Kenneth C. Lawton in management information systems, Edgar F. Codd in relational databases, Howard Dresner in business intelligence, and John McCarthy, whose idea of computing as a utility connects strongly with today's cloud computing. So information systems is really a combination of decades of ideas around data, technology, management, decision-making, and business strategy. And the companies that collect better information, process it faster, protect it properly, and use it smarter, usually win. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to help you see the invisible systems behind every modern business. Because once you understand information systems, you stop seeing companies as simple shops, apps, or websites and start seeing them as networks of data, decisions, people, and processes working together.